When it comes to buying your car, firstly, we would ask you to avoid taking any loans for the car. Set it as a goal, start saving and investing for the goal, and pay for your car in cash. Yes, there are some situations in which borrowing to a certain extent can be beneficial. You can always take a call at that moment, but try to spend for your car as much as in cash as possible. And if you have to take a loan, then ensure that it is not more than 3 years loan. Let's have a look as to how your EMIs would look like. Go right now, click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money, where you're buying a new car and you borrow 5 lakh rupees for the car and your interest is 9% and the tenure of the loan is 3 years. Then in the first year, you pay a principal of 1,50,000 and you pay an interest of 43,232. So your total payment is 1,93,603. So basically, you've already repaid 30% of your car loan. In the second year, you pay 1,66,117 as principal and 27,486 as your interest amount. Basically, by the end of year 2, you've paid 63% of your car loan. In the third year, you pay a principal of 1,83,512. So basically, you pay off your balance loan. Your interest has also reduced to 10,091 because the principal payable is hardly anything and you've cleared off your loan. So you can see you've paid off your 5 lakhs loan amount, and in 3 years, you've paid an interest of 80,809. So by the end of 3 years, you've paid 5,80,809 for your car. But what is the value of your car after 3 years? The car depreciates in value. It is not like your house which is growing in value, but car depreciates in value. So on year 2, the value of the car is 4,25,000 and further depreciation on year 3, the value of the car is 3,61,250. So by the end of 3 years, you've paid 5,80,809 for a car whose value is only 3,61,250. Hence, we say that taking a loan for an depreciating asset does not make sense financially, and hence when you're going to buy a car, set it as a goal, save money for it and then buy it, and avoid taking a loan for it to the extent possible. We hope that you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed it creating for you. So what are you waiting for? Go right now, click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money, which is an online course on A to Z of personal finance. You will learn everything from your asset classes to how to invest in them and make your own financial plan. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for freshly brewed content from Wealth Cafe. Lastly, don't forget, save hard and invest smart.